The Skytech Shadow is a top contender for the best value gaming PC under $1,000 in 2024. Takes center stage in our review lineup. The Shadow series from Skytech offers an array of configurations, combining power with elegance to cater to the needs of both mid-range gamers and professional creatives. This particular model we're examining is equipped with AMD's core components and NVIDIA's latest Ampere-based RTX 3000 series graphics cards. Specifically, it houses a Ryzen 5 5600 processor and an RTX 3060 Ti graphics card, making it a formidable choice for gaming at high frame rates in 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Though it may not outperform competitors featuring NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080 GPUs such as the Skytech Shiva, the Shadow's processor holds its ground. It also comes with a more affordable price tag. Given its blend of AMD's proficient CPU and NVIDIA's RTX 3060 Ti, the Shadow delivers impressive gaming performance at both 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Its performance on Far Cry New Dawn Ultra is noteworthy, handily outperforming its closest rivals with a 1080p score of 99 FPS and nearly reaching 60 FPS at 4K resolution. This powerful machine is adept at running a wide range of popular games, including Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, and Overwatch, among others. With the Shadow, you can game and stream simultaneously without lag, providing a smooth viewing experience for your followers. The GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs elevate your creative projects, offering AI acceleration for high-end applications. Whether you're rendering intricate 3D scenes, editing 4K videos, or live streaming with optimal encoding and image quality, the GeForce RTX GPUs deliver unrivaled performance. Finally, the Shadow incorporates second-gen GeForce RTX graphics that support ray tracing, enabling hyper-realistic shadows and lighting effects without compromising high frame rates. This feature simulates the behavior of light in real time, bringing cinematic quality visuals to even the most graphically demanding games.